Check this out if you love smart solutions. This hidden gem is going viral globally, and for a massive reason. This viral literally everywhere right, is proving to be super practical for everyday use. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: the build quality is premium. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it makes your daily routine effortless. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed WTH it before it sells out everywhere. Check this out if you love smart solutions. This hidden gem is going viral globally, and for a massive reason. This viral literally everywhere.